welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today we have something a little weird that I saw on social media, so I thought I'd try it myself. We got a little interesting chocolate pickle recipe, so let's get started, y'all. So we're going to take some vegetable oil and we're going to pour about a tablespoon in our regular chocolate almond bark and our vanilla white chocolate almond bark. And we're going to put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute intervals. Just keep an eye on it. You don't want to burn your chocolate, but stir as you go and just keep doing that until it's completely melted. So our chocolate is ready. We're just going to keep giving that a nice little stir as we go. Let's get started and put our white chocolate almond bark into the microwave and do the same thing. Our white chocolate is ready. We're giving her a nice little stir as well. So y'all, let's get into chopping our Snickers. So I have the white Snickers and I have the regular Snickers. So why not try both? We're going to just take a little knife and we're just going to chop them into small pieces. They're just going to be little decorations on top of our chocolate pickles. And y'all probably thinking, oh my gosh, a chocolate pickle? I said the same thing. And yes, it's giving pregnancy craving vibes, but I'm not pregnant. So we're not going to play like that. But I love weird things to try and I wanted to share it with you guys. And let's see what it's giving. So we're just going to cut our regular Snickers into little pieces as well. Once you get your Snickers chopped, they should look like this. So let's get into these whole pickles. You want the big old chubby ones. That's giving I'm almost cucumber, but we're still a pickle. We're gonna place these on paper towels. You want your pickles to be as dry as possible. So like I said, just take a paper towel and just dry them off really good. That's gonna help your chocolate stick to your pickle. So just go ahead and pat that dry. All right, y'all, let's get dipping. So we just have a skewer that we poked at the bottom of our pickle. We're just gonna give it a little twirl. And we're gonna do a chocolate one, a white chocolate one. I did half and half, and I did another white chocolate one. We're also going to be adding peanut butter on top of the chocolate one because apparently people like peanut butter on pickles as well. So we're just gonna put it all together, y'all, and we're just gonna try it. So once you dip your chocolate, go ahead and add your Snickers while or before your chocolate gets hard, because you have to work kind of fast. You see the white chocolate, it didn't want to hang on, but that's okay. It'll dry, it'll hang on later. We're just going to be drizzling a little bit of those chocolates too, to give it a little bit more crazy extraness. Because you know we like to be extra here. Why not? Go ahead and get your peanut butter. I use 100% peanuts. That's the only way I like it, y'all. If it ain't 100%, it ain't it for me. So your pickles should look something like this. They look cute though. It's a little weird, but y'all look cute with your little chocolate outfits on, your little Snickers decor. I like it. I really do. So are we gonna take a little bite and see what it's tasting like? And you can see the chocolate has gotten hard already, which is what you want. Let's go ahead and take a little couple bites. I like it. I like it. I like it. It's a little sweet, salty snack, you know, something different. I also tried the white chocolate wasn't really a fan. The chocolate one is most definitely better. But y'all, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. As always, try it out. Let me know what you think. You know. It's another episode of MK's Kitchen. I will see you guys next time. Bye.